Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video I am going to share with you a story of mine, and before telling that story, as you can see here, I am walking on the road just to build my confidence level, and I'm going to face the people, how many people are going to pass through this road, and what will be the reaction, you know. So I am just going to speak English language here, and just I'm going to build my confidence level. So if I talk about that story, in that story I was just you know uh, I'm just feeling little bit uncomfortable just because of the people. So don't mind, I am making mistakes, I know very well. So yeah, if I talk about that story, oh my goodness, three girls are coming, so don't worry about it, I'm going to speak. Okay, so if I talk about the thing that I was just speaking some of the things, I was learning English language, okay, and unknowingly I was speaking. I didn't have even knowledge about it, I didn't have even idea that what will I do after some time. I mean, I was learning English language, but I didn't have even idea that how and why and when I will speak. But just I was learning and I was thinking, oh my goodness, you know, somehow I was able to speak, and they have gone. But I heard they were talking about that this person was recording his video. Okay, so somehow I spoke in front of those. Don't worry about it, no problem. I was making mistakes, my facial expression had changed after seeing those, you know, girls. And so what happened, actually I was talking about that story. So now let me tell you comfortably, because now I'm feeling little bit comfortable and little bit confident as well. So yes, see, I am able to speak but not fluently, but yes, I can speak at least some of the things easily, there is no problem. So listen to me carefully what I want to share with you. I have only one habit, and that is walking, and that another habit, that is like speaking with myself, that is another habit. Okay, so every single day I used to wake up early in the morning, you know, and I used to go outside for just walking. And before some time, when I was not able to speak English language, at those days I used to speak in Hindi language with myself. I used to speak Hindi while walking. Okay, but after some time I started learning English because I was interested. When I started learning English, then after learning some of the things in English, I had this habit, speaking habit with myself. So I just started speaking, you know, while walking. And you know, I didn't have even idea that what I'm going to do with this English, and what will I do, what is the use of, no, I can't say that what is the use, because I knew about the use. It is very important, very require, like everyone is requiring it, you know, many people are requiring, many job sectors are requiring English, you know. So it is very necessary in this era. So but I didn't know that how will I use it in my life, what will I do in my life, you know. I was just learning because I liked it. So I used to go outside for a walk, and I used to just simply speak with myself in English, you know. And every single day I used to go, and I did not used to speak English only, I did not used to learn English only. I used to just work at those days. I did not want to become something like any small person, any type of like mechanic, and any like small work, you know, a small worker. There was always something in my mind, there was always a big thing in my mind that yes, I will do something. and this language showed me the way that how can I do something. And I didn't have any specific dream, any specific goal that actually this thing I will do. There was no any type of specific thing, but I was just doing and I was learning English, and thinking that one day, I think so, something must change and something will change. So after just so many people are just passing by me and watching that what am I doing here actually. But now I'm feeling little bit comfortable and confident, so that is why I'm able to speak here. Okay, I know I'm making mistakes while speaking, but just let me try and let me do whatever I'm doing. Okay, I know that I'm not good at anything, not communicating, neither communicating nor speaking English, so yes, I was just speaking English every single day. I used to go outside, I used to just speak only, neither I used to read so much nor I used to write so much, and even I did not used to listen also, so many times. Some of the times I used to listen, if I had time then I used to listen English, and most of the time I used to listen only English language and did not used to speak. I don't know that how I learned English language. Yes, I mean, just unknowingly I used to go outside for a walk. It was my kind of habit, walking outside and speaking with me. So I learned English accidentally and unknowingly, and that is why today I'm speaking and I'm stucking. I'm facing many problems. I am just making many mistakes just because of not learning with fully attention, attentively. I did not used to speak like, yes, I will do this work, I will create my YouTube channel and I will speak English in front of the people, I will record my video. There was no anything. Even I didn't have even, I never ever imagined this thing that I would be doing this type of work, but today I'm doing. So the point is, if I had a habit only of walking and talking to myself, so I did not used to learn many phrases, many vocabularies, and many different types of idioms, nothing. Simply I used to listen English and I used to wake up early in the morning, go outside, speak with me, and that's enough. And for a whole day I did not used to speak anything in English. I used to speak for only 2 hours, 2.5 hours, after going outside. And sometimes what used to happen, I did not used to speak even in the morning time also, when I used to go outside. Sometimes I used to meet someone, then I used to speak with him, in Hindi language. So I had to face many problems while speaking English, while learning, and I didn't know that actually why. I didn't know that what to do and what will I do after some time after learning this language, So in this way I was just speaking, going outside every single day, and this is still I have. Every single day I go outside for walking and for talking to myself, and as you may be able to see here, as you can see here, I am just holding this umbrella because the weather is quite pleasant, and it could rain anytime, it may rain anytime, but it is not raining. I don't know, I think so we are very sinner person here, and that is why it is not raining. Okay, so if I talk about that, if you are thinking that how to speak English language, my friend, only one thing I would say, it asks discipline life, consistency matters a lot. Whatever you are doing, do with consistency. Do consistently, do constantly, do continuously, and see the result. Today, whatever I am speaking here, the way I am speaking here, it will not remain the same. You will see my next video after some time and how I will be speaking in that video. I know very well that now I am not speaking fluently, I am not speaking well, I am making mistakes, and I don't know how to speak actually fluently and well so that people could listen to me. But I am trying. I'm trying my best, and one day I will speak. Okay, so my friend, just try to speak every single day. Don't break the consistency. Practice is the real method. Practice matters a lot if you really want to do anything in your life. If you want to speak English language, practice matters a lot. Okay, so today I faced many people passing through this road. I built little bit confidence as well, so I am happy with that. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.